The year is 1932. Australia faces a grave threat. Not an army, but 20,000 emus destroying crops. The government's solution? Send in the Royal Artillery. They thought it would be easy target practice. But the emus were tactical geniuses. They split into groups, ran faster than the trucks, and dodged bullets like feathered ninjas. Thousands of rounds were fired, but the birds were unstoppable. After a week of humiliation, the military retreated. They officially lost a war against birds. The emus had won the only war ever fought on Australian soil.